Hey there, I hope you watched my last video on the review of this 12th Street RV park here that I just did. It's about a minute later when I completed that video. It's about 7:23 in the morning. And right here now, this is the spot that we are on. We are on in spot number 77. And you can see the old trailer's had a lot of wear and tear on it. This summer heat has been very, very bad on that gel coat. This is our neighbor right here. She's rarely ever here. She's a nurse, and she's truly rarely ever here. But you can see our parking spaces, that this is what we have, and you see the car fits there very, very well, and the truck is right here, and we have all this space back here behind it still, and I can walk all the way around it without any kind of issues. So plenty of space for two vehicles like mine. You can see the space here between the ball and the truck. This is spot number 77. I think I said that a minute ago, but anyway, right there we'll show that to you. There's our electric meter, of course sewer, full hookups, water, obviously. And as I walk around, just to show you what this kind of looks like, you see you got gravel here where all your utilities are. All these are set up the same way. And again, there's the trailer. You see, I'm very near the back here, but I'm off the road and got that space there. So the space has been good. As I saw in the other video, you know, the Wi-Fi's been good. You don't get very many good TV channels here over the air. So that's, if you're looking for that, you would be pretty disappointed. There's a few you can get, but they break up a lot, and it's just not been good for recording or really getting too much of anything. NBC is about the best thing that you'll get here that's more stable than anything else, has been my experience. But this is just looking down the row of where we're at, and then of course this is this side of the trailer. As I said in the other video, I mean, the Wi-Fi's been good here. It's been very quiet here. It's been a good place to stay. That right there, again, if you look at the other video, right there, that's on this end, that's the laundry room right there. Then of course the showers and bathrooms. And then that final door, that brown door up through there, that's where that clubhouse and the office is. So, I mean, we're right across from that. And it's a pull-through site. And so, I mean, you know, you just can't do much better than this. So, don't know what else to say about it. It's been a very good place. And in one way, kind of not looking forward to leaving it, but I am looking forward to leaving it because we've got a lot of things to do and a lot of things to go. And September, too, should be a very exciting month. I won't tell you anything about that right now, but keep watching my videos, and you're going to see a lot more of these reviews. You're going to see a lot more things going on. So my channel is about to get more active again. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this one. Take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next one.